I want to spend a few moments talking about what happens after you file a bankruptcy Chapter 7. Chapter 7 will discharge your unsecured debt. You'll get a fresh start. Chapter 7 is real good for you if you have a lot of unsecured debt, but you need to come into our office so we can advise you whether you need to do a Chapter 7, Chapter 13, or do nothing at all. Once you file a Chapter 7, the automatic stay goes into effect, so your creditors cannot do anything to collect money against you. After you go to an easy creditors meeting and then take a debt management class, which you can do on the internet, you'll get your discharge approximately 120 days after your creditors meeting. The real question is, first of all, how long does it stay on my credit? Well, it's on your credit for 10 years, but the real question is how fast can you reestablish your credit? You can reestablish your credit the day after you file your bankruptcy petition. There are car lenders out there that'll gladly lend you money for a new car. You might pay a little bit higher interest, but there are car lenders available for you if you need another car, and hopefully you'll get it at a reasonable price. With respect to credit cards and other type of credit, the best way to do it is by putting money in a secured bank account and using a debit card or a secured card to pay on your purchases. Start saving money. The more money you have in your bank account and the longer you have been on your job, the quicker your credit score will increase. Once you file bankruptcy, your credit score is at its very bottom, but it's very easy to increase your credit score with saved money and keeping your job. 2 years after you file bankruptcy, many home lenders will let you have a house if you have, for example, a 10% to 20% down payment. So, for example, if you wanted to buy a $100,000 house and you had $10,000 to put down, you would generally be able to finance $90,000, assuming you had the income to afford it. At today's rates, your payment, including your taxes and insurance, would be about $600 a month, which is probably even less than what it would take to rent. The key is having steady income, having the willpower to save up for that down payment. The same generally goes with car lenders. Most car lenders will charge you a little bit more money in interest, ask for a little bit more down, but you can get a car or a truck after you file Chapter 7. Student loans, although I want to caution everybody to watch out for them because they do manage to grow more than expected, but the student loan creditors will lend you money at any time if you are going to get an education. Student loan lenders, by law, cannot discriminate because of your Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Generally, as long as you save up money, you're maybe a year or two away from the filing of the bankruptcy, you will be able to establish credit as part of your fresh start. Thank you.